How to fix add yours not working on Instagram. In this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue with add yours on Instagram. So without any delay, let's get into it. Sometimes we might see the feature of add yours to story on Instagram not working for us. So how can we fix that? Simply, we first need to make sure the Instagram available on our phone device is updated. So go to Google Play Store and click on Instagram. If you have the option of updating it, click on it. Once you are done updating the Instagram on your mobile phone, go to the settings and then go under application management. There you need to clear the cache for Instagram application as it affects the performance of it. After that, search for Instagram on the Manage application and then you need to go to Storage. Click on Clear Data and then you will see the option to clear cache for Instagram application. Once you are done with it, now the application will work smoothly for you. Even by following all these steps, if the problem of add yours on Instagram is not solved for you, you are suggested to uninstall the application and reinstall it. And that's all. That is how you can fix the problem of add yours not working on Instagram. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.